Okay, guys, time to switch gears and move on to today's health hack. If you work in an office, you know it can be tough to eat healthy, right? You get busy and you reach for junk food, or even worse, you snack mindlessly all day long. Well, today we're counting down the top 3 ways you can make your office lunch healthier. Number 3, instead of running out to grab a lunch, pack your own. That way you'll not only make sure you have a healthy option, but you can also portion your food out so you don't overeat. Number 2, reach for water as the perfect partner to your healthy meal. Water keeps us hydrated and also gives us energy to fuel the rest of the day. Sugary drinks like soda will only add to that afternoon crash. And the number 1 way to keep your lunch meal healthier, don't eat at your desk. Step away and sit somewhere else to enjoy your lunch. That way you'll be able to take a mental break and eat mindfully. These 3 tips will help keep your office lunches as healthy as the rest of your meals. For more health hacks, just head to our website, livinghealthytv.com. Do you want more Living Healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here, and then subscribe for more right here.